Okay, action. Wait, something's missing. It's a bit dark here, isn't it? I've got just the thing actually. Better, right? Warm tones or white tones. All the power in this one little remote I've got here. This is what I'm using. If you'd like to improve your lighting significantly so, go and visit Ringtech Kenya. They've got all your lighting needs sorted. They deal with a lot of light stuff, lighting equipment, RGB lights, ring lights, all sorts of things. So yeah, check them out. They've got all inches depending on your needs, if you know what I mean. For the full review, check out Tech I Own, the channel where we review tech that I own.